Hi everyone, it's Mirka from Beauty by Mirka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So some people may be thinking that to start business in the eyelash extensions in the lash industry is really expensive, which is not true. If you think about it, all you need is very good detailed training, insurance and good quality product. So I have noticed some people may be still quite confused what kind of things they will need when it comes to purchase some of the products for eyelash extensions. So I'm going to start with the adhesives. I always say to our students, all you need is a good quality product. If you don't have a good quality product, your work is not going to be good. So no matter how hard you try, the lashes will not stick, you're not going to have good retention and so on. So I would rather for you to invest into good quality if you are tight on budget, then buy in a smaller quantity instead of wasting your money for the adhesive which is not going to work for you, you're not going to like, and then you're going to be disappointed. So I just want to let you know there are quite a few different adhesives in the industry. So you can even purchase, I don't know if you guys knew, but you can actually purchase adhesive which is sample only. So this is how it looks like. This is 1 milliliter only, and that's going to last you to do quite a few clients. Then you can buy slightly smaller, which I don't have here at the moment, which is 3 milliliter only. And then at the end, of course, you've got the one what is 5 milliliter big. So these I would recommend to buy once you are 100% sure with the adhesive you are happy with. When you're choosing the adhesive, it's quite tricky, especially for the beginners if they don't understand what kind of adhesive would work for them. But basically, if you are a beginner, I presume that you're going to be applying eyelash extensions quite slowly. So that means you need slow drying adhesive. So you are looking at the adhesive which dries, for example, 3 to 5 seconds, which is going to be most likely some sensitive one. So I've got an example from I Love Lashes. This is the super sensitive one, and that's the one which is going to be perfect, because the last thing what you want is by the time you apply eyelash extension, the adhesive will dry. So that's not going to be very good for you. Once you speed up and you're going to work faster, then you can change for fast drying adhesive, which is 1 to 2 seconds, for example, and that's going to speed up your process. If you would be using the slow drying adhesive and you are quite fast, you can create stickies, because all the lashes will come back together after the isolation and they can stick to this adhesive which is still wet. So it's not going to be beneficial for you. The adhesive should be kept in the room temperature, which is between 18 to 24 degrees, and it works with the humidity as well. So the humidity is around 40% to 60%. I've got fantastic video I'm going to leave down in the comments for you, so you can have a look all about the adhesive, how to improve the retention, because it's really important that the adhesive is kept in the certain temperature, under the certain humidity, and I'm also explaining how you can change the humidity in the room. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to choose the correct lashes, because some people may be buying all different lash trays, you might be confused which one to use. So I will explain to you how to lash on budget with the eyelash extensions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know, give me likes, let me know in the comments if you do have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you, bye.